Hi, I'm Nina. Welcome back to WBCo's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect fluffy brow using Soap Brows Original. Soap Brows Original is perfect if you have quite soft hair like me. It will work on brow hair that behaves. I don't have particularly stubborn brows, they're quite soft. If you want to create a fluffy brow that's quite natural looking, quite soft, Soap Brow Original will be the one for you. Soap Brows Original needs activating. We have designed a prep mist that will activate your soap brows. You can use a facial mist or a setting spray, but just double check the ingredients and make sure it doesn't contain too much alcohol, otherwise it can dry your brows out. So the first step is to activate your soap brows. I usually use 1 to 2 sprays into my tin, just like that. Then using our brow brush you can create a paste. So I just want to create a really nice paste all over the brush, just like that, about that much. And then all I do is I go straight into my brows. So you can see my brows are quite soft, they're looking a little bit downwards, they're looking a little bit sad, and we're going to create a really nice, soft, fluffy brow. So the brow soap on the brush, straight into the brows. So I like to brush in a bit of an upward motion. I then go back and forward. So just making sure that you're coating all the brow hair. Make sure every hair has got a good coating on it. Really brushing backwards and forwards. Looks a little bit crazy. Once you're happy that you've definitely coated all the hairs, then brush in an upward motion. So I'm pressing quite hard. I'm trying to press the brow hairs into my skin. So don't be afraid to press down. Then once you're happy that they're all completely coated and pressed down, you can use the flat end of our brow brush to just taper the ends. So I like to create quite a soft kind of edge to my brows, like so. Really kind of tailoring off the end of the brow into a nice kind of tapered point. So once you have styled your brows how you like and you've tapered the end, I then use my finger just to gently press down into the skin. You can already feel it start to work, you can already feel that it's got that hold. And there you go. It's as simple as that. A really quick, easy routine on how to take your brows from this to a really nice, soft, fluffy, natural looking eyebrow. That is how simple and easy it is to use Soap Brows Original. You can see such a difference in my face. It is making me look more awake, it's making my face look a little bit lifted, but whilst creating quite a natural, soft kind of fluffy brow. If you have any questions on how to use any of the products that I've used today, then drop a comment and let us know. If you have particularly stubborn brows that are really hard to tame, then check out our extra strong tutorial for more of a laminated brow.